Hey guys, Mike Thompson here. We're in New Hope, a mile down the road from the borough. Come check out our home renovation, work in progress. So here we are standing in the soon-to-be master bathroom. As you can see behind me, we have the new shower diverter set up and tower set up over here. Oh, hey guys, here we are. We're in our soon-to-be master soaker tub. Here we got our new Jack and Jill setup for his and hers vanity. Behind our Jack and Jill, we're currently standing in our soon-to-be master closet with shelving on either side for his and hers. We're standing here in our soon-to-be new kitchen. A little bit of changes coming to our way. Plumbers just got done wrapping up. We got a new sink location with 2 new windows. We have a fridge location over here now, and our hood exhaust and range is going to be right here. So we just got done doing our walkthrough. Plumbers just got finished wrapping up. We got electrical coming. We got HVAC coming. Stay tuned for more.